Remember when you got your first Rubik's Cube? You tried to solve it and you sat there for many hours just twisting the puzzle and hoping that it would be solved, and you just couldn't solve it, so you just wanted to. Well, that is what we're doing today. So here's a quick compilation of all the cubes that I blew up, and then at the very end we have the coolest one where I'll be hitting a cube with a golf club.
Two, okay?
Before we hit the last cube with a golf club, which is one of the most satisfying explosions I have ever seen, I would like to shout out today's sponsor. Today's sponsor, we have PowerPoints. PowerPoints is a golf app that makes the game fun and more enjoyable. And personally, I really love to play golf the day before a cubing competition because it really helps me relax and I can really get the stress of tomorrow off my plate. So I really love to play golf, and this makes it easier and fun so that anyone can do it. There will be more information about how it works in the comments, and yeah, make sure to follow that link and also in the description. So now let's get on to hitting the Rubik's Cube with a golf club. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.